team of the Enforcement Directorate carried out raids at the residence of former Delhi Minister and Aam Aadmi Party leader Saurabh Bharadwaj on this morning. Notably, ED officials are conducting searches at least 12 locations in the national capital. As per initial reports, the raids are being carried out in connection with a case related to irregularities in hospital construction in the national capital. The Aam Aadmi Party, while reacting to the raids, has hit out at the BJP and said that these cases against the Aam Aadmi Party leaders are politically motivating, while calling the raids at Bharadwaj's residence politically motivated at the same time.
आम आदमी पार्टी के नेताओं पे लगातार झूठे केस बना बना के उनको जेल में डालना भारतीय जनता पार्टी मोदी सरकार की एक नीति बन गई, एक उनका रवैया बन गया, हमको दबाने के लिए, हमको झुकाने के लिए। और ये सब कुछ आज क्यों हो रहा है अचानक? क्यों सौरभ भारद्वाज के घर पे आज छापा मार दिया गया? क्योंकि खबर बदलनी है, मुद्दा बदलना है। लगता है कि आम आदमी पार्टी के नेताओं के बारे में, उनकी ईमानदारी के बारे में, सच्चाई के बारे में पूरा देश जान चुका है और इस तरह से झूठे मुकदमे बना के आप उनको परेशान नहीं कर सकते, झुका नहीं सकते, रोक नहीं सकते। ऐसी तमाम कोशिशें चाहे वो मोदी कर लें, अमित शाह कर लें, बीजेपी कर लें, वो कामयाब होने वाली नहीं है।
The BJP has also hit back. In fact, Delhi State President Virendra Sachdeva said that the Aam Aadmi Party government led by Arvind Kejriwal looted people of Delhi and alleged that Saurabh Bharadwaj was involved in this very scam.
हमारा ये बार बार मानना है कि दिल्ली में पिछले 11 सालों में डेवलपमेंट को रोकने का काम किया गया, घोटाले किए गए, चोरी की गई और उसका ये परिणाम है कि ये सब लोग जो दिल्ली के ठग हैं, ये अलग अलग नाम बदल के दूसरे राज्यों में जाके उन जनता को भी बेवकूफ़ बनाने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं जिन्होंने दिल्ली की जनता को लूटने का काम किया है। जांच एजेंसी के इस कदम के बाद जो भी तथ्य सामने आएंगे, लेकिन एक बात स्पष्ट है कि दिल्ली में अस्पतालों के निर्माण में भारी घोटाला किया गया। आम आदमी पार्टी की सरकार में उपकरण खरीदने के नाम पर भी घोटाले किए गए, उसकी भी एसीबी इंक्वायरी चल रही है और हमारा ये मानना है कि जैसे जैसे जांच आगे बढ़ेगी, सौरभ भारद्वाज जी नहीं, बाकी जो इनके खलीफा हैं उनके भी चेहरे बेनकाब होंगे।
आपको याद होगा भारतीय जनता पार्टी ने पहले इस मामले को उठाया था और बताया था कि किस प्रकार से हॉस्पिटल के कंस्ट्रक्शन के अंदर भारी धांधली हो रही है, ग्राउंड पर काम हो नहीं रहा और यहाँ पे बिल पर बिल पास होकर जाए जा रहे हैं। हॉस्पिटल तो बनने शुरू ही नहीं हुए लेकिन बिल की पेमेंट्स हो रही है। ऐसे बहुत सारा मामला इस हॉस्पिटल से रिलेटेड है। अब आम आदमी पार्टी के लोग आके कहेंगे तो पॉलिटिकली मोटिवेटेड है, लेकिन सवाल ये उठता है भ्रष्टाचार के हर मामले के अंदर जिस प्रकार से इनके लोग पाए जा रहे हैं और कोर्ट्स के अंदर केसेस चल रहे हैं, ये दिखाता है कि ऐसा कोई सगा नहीं जिसको अरविंद केजरीवाल ने ठगा नहीं।
Aam Aadmi Party spokesperson Priyanka Kakkar is joining us here on News 9 to speak with us on the same issue. Thank you so much, Ms. Kakkar, for speaking to us. Your reaction to the recent raids?
I am surprised that you gave any weightage to the speaker before me from BJP who recently posted an AI picture to defame us. That is BJP's, that act in itself defines BJP's entire politics. Kal se everybody has been talking about Modi ji's farzi degree. And let me assure the ED that वो फर्जी डिग्री सौरभ जी के यहाँ पर नहीं मिलने वाली। फर्जी रेट में फर्जी डिग्री नहीं मिलेगी। Now also, this is so unfortunate that Saurabh Bharadwaj was not even a health minister at that time, and the health minister at that time, Satyendra Jain ji, he has undergone 3 years of imprisonment, unrelentless hounding by the ED and the CBI. And then the CBI is now filing closure report after the other in his matters. And now Saurabh Bharadwaj, who was not even the health minister at that time, is hounded for similar charges. I want to tell the BJP, people have seen through your negative politics. They know that you can't compete with us in governance. Your only agenda is negative politics, and stop that. People are tired of it. Nobody believes your ED farzi raids, but everybody believes that you have a farzi degree. So please work towards the governance and betterment for the people of this country. That is why you were elected.
BJP members have been saying that Aam Aadmi Party during their tenure here in the national capital looted the people of the national capital, and that is why they've been thrown out of their position. What would be your take on that?
I think that everybody knows that despite the fact that BJP did voter manipulation, that BJP put our entire cabinet in jail on false charges by using agencies like ED and CBI, by hounding us through very rigorous acts such as the PMLA. And even after that, they were able to succeed only with a 2% difference in the voting pattern. And also, आज आप जाके देख लीजिए दिल्ली में, everyone is saying that Arvind Kejriwal की जेल की सरकार better थी than the kind of governance the BJP is giving after 27 years. They have no shame. They were elected after 27 years. They should make Delhi a model state. But they're shameless people that still they want to indulge in these kind of petty politics.
But it's been just a couple of months also, Ms. Kakkar, I want to ask you, because there's an FIR. The case stems from the allegations of the irregularities as far as the hospital construction and also health infrastructure projects during the Aam Aadmi Party tenure is concerned. And it's not just Saurabh Bharadwaj who has been wrapped up. There are multiple other people whose houses are also being searched at the moment.
I don't understand that. I think the viewer is very smarter today. The audience is very smart. The voter is very smart. They know कि आज तक कुछ नहीं मिला. कभी एक बार तो कुछ मिलता ना. और जो जिसके यहाँ कुछ मिलता है वो सुबह 5 बजे भाजपा में जाके शपथ ले लेता है. आधा हिस्सा पहुंच जाता होगा. We don't know. But हमारे यहाँ कुछ मिलता नहीं. So everyone is very smart today ना. We shouldn't underestimate the audience.